Hello and welcome to another episode of Akina Garage. As you guys know, in the last video I completely blew up my clutch, and so we've got a new clutch here. It's a XZD cushion button heavy duty clutch. Got the car up here now on the stands. These are the quick jacks and they're pretty good, pretty handy to have. Today I'm going to drop the gearbox and get under the car. I've got the cat mount there that you can see, so you can watch me install the clutch. Let's see how this goes. So on this gearbox, there's two bolts on the top there. There's a few at the bottom, and there's also, I don't know if you can see it, but under there, right there, there's a starter motor. So we need to take that out. There's two bolts here, which I've actually... Yeah, let's take that out. It's a 14mm one.
This is actually the starter motor wire. So I'm just moving that to the side. And taking out the starter motor bolts times 2. The whole thing should slide out now. And putting the bolts back so I don't lose them later.
Wow. It smells. This is the clutch. Look at that. And there's bolts here. There's two bolts on the top here.
And another one on the other side. 17mm bolts. I used the spanner, but I didn't record that. There's 2 bolts on the clutch slave cylinder, which is this thing.
You can see bits of clutch at the bottom here.
One gearbox bolt on the right side, and there's another one on the left. This is the center bearing. Gotta take this out so I can slide the tail shaft out of the gearbox. Couldn't get access to the second one because the exhaust was in the way, so this is a trick, the spanner trick, to get extra leverage. And it just slides out.
Undo the gear knob. Put it on. Is in this container.
Then just pull out the whole shifter. There's another 4 bolts underneath this one, and just yank the whole thing out. Now I've got a jack underneath it, and I'm just trying to slide the input shaft of the gearbox away from the clutch. Just needs to clear it. Try not let it hit your head. That's why the jack is there.
And all the oil's leaking out the back.
The seal on the back of the gearbox is gone because the oil's just dripping out of it big time. So, gonna get a new seal as well.
Wow. How can it burn?
This is my
'Cause
dad.
you run the you can see inside. See all the bits of clutch here?
Yeah.
Look at that.
What?
Yeah,
What?
yeah. That's
Wow.
I know.
Gee. Gee, lucky you know what you're doing. And it costs you.
This will
what
cost
should
at
be
least
fixed?
$1,000, $2,000 maybe. I don't know how much.
You know how to fix it, yeah?
Yeah, yeah. Just
Easy, yeah?
put it in a new clutch. Yeah.
Take a picture.
Yeah, I'm taking a video right now.
Oh, Lord.
Bro, that's the clutch. It's coming out everywhere. It's along the flywheel, inside the flywheel. Wowee. That's nasty. That's the clutch. Nothing left.
Just taking off the clutch pressure plate bolts. Go around, take them off.
Fuck, there is no clutch. Woohoo! Shit. What the fuck? Bro, there is nothing left.
Look at that piece of clutch. Oh my gosh. There's a dust plate here, 10mm socket or spanner. And you can just see there's a lot of clutch in there. Just picking it off with my fingers.
Anyways, thanks for checking in. I've got the clutch here. I think it needs the surface re-machined. So we'll save that for another episode and catch you in the next one. Peace, peace.